everyone. As you know that I am doing history previous year question from the civil services examinations. I have already completed till the year of 2003 and 4. 2002. Today we are going to see the question of 2003 and 4, which is from modern history. Okay, so if you have not watched the previous videos, please watch those videos as well, because I am covering last 30-year questions from the civil services examinations. Okay, so 2003 first question is, during the colonial period in India, what was the purpose of Whiteley Commission? Okay, so what was the purpose of this commission? Okay, to review fitness of India for further political reform, to report an existing condition of labor and make recommendations, to draw up a plan for financial reform for India, to develop comprehensive scheme for civil services in India. Okay, it is actually this commission, Whiteley Commission, is its purpose was to report on existing condition of labor and to make recommendations. Okay, so this Whiteley chaired the Royal Commission on Labor in India, which reported in 1931. So its answer is B. Next question, with reference to entry of European power into India, which of the following statement is not correct? Please remember, they are asking not correct. They are not asking the correct value, not value or correct statement. Okay, so what are the options? The Portuguese captured Goa in 1499. The English opened their first factory in South India at Masulipatam. In Eastern India, the English company opened its first factory in Odisha in 1633. Under the leadership of Dupleix, the French occupied Madras in 1746. Okay, so they are asking which one is not correct. Okay, so actually answer is E. Okay, these all are correct. I mean this is wrong. Okay, this statement is wrong, so that's why the option is correct. So English opened their first factory in South India. Okay, Masulipatam. You know that in Surat they have actually opened the first factory. Okay, but in South India they have opened in the Masulipatam. Okay, so that's why this is the B option is correct. And in Odisha they have opened in 1633. Okay, and Dupleix actually he occupied Madras in 1746. Okay, so it is not 1499, it is 1510. Okay, they captured Goa, but not in 1499. It is actually in 1510. Okay, so that time the ruler was Bijapur. Okay. Next question. In India, among the following locations, that established their earliest factory at. Okay, so they are asking about Dutch. Okay, so it is in Surat, Pulicat, Cochin, Kasim Bazar. Okay, it is actually B. It is Pulicat. Okay, so if you read modern history and if you read about Dutches, you will find this. So they have actually established their earliest factory in Pulicat. Okay, so Dutch established their first factory at Masulipatam, AP in 1605. Their second factory was established at Pulicat in 1610. They are asking earliest. Okay, earliest means later. बाद में जो established हुआ है, that they are asking. Okay, but the first factory, if they will ask, then this is wrong. So they have actually the first factory they have established in Masulipatam of AP in 1605. Okay, so you please remember the year as well. So sometime they can ask you in match list. So Masulipatam AP in 1605, in Pulicat the second factory in 1610. Next question. The aim of education as stated by Wood Dispatch in 1854 was the creation of employment opportunity for native Indians, the spread of Western culture in India, the promotion of literacy among the people using English medium, the introduction of scientific research and rationalism in the traditional Indian education. Okay, so I think you can answer this question very easily. Okay, so if you have little bit read about Wood, okay, so it is nothing but it is something related to the English education. Understood? So its answer is actually the introduction of scientific research and rationalism in traditional Indian education. Okay, so the answer is D. So the Wood Dispatch in 1854 are considered as the Magna Carta of English education in India. Okay, so with this actually they have allotted 1 lakhs that time for teaching English in India. Okay, English education. So it is nothing but it is called the Magna Carta of English education in India. Okay, it recommended English as the medium of instruction for higher studies and vernacular at school level. Okay, so in higher education, it will be like education will be in English, but in school level it will be in vernacular. Okay, so even nowadays also you can find the similar kind of thing, because if you go to IITs and ITs, even in central universities, I mean we are not following that thing, but nowadays also the most of our education, the higher education is in English. You will not find in vernacular, like you will not find a university like where BTech you can do, mechanical engineering you can do in Hindi or in Telugu, whatever it is. Okay, but in English you will find everywhere. But if you go to school level till 12th level, you will find the local, you will find the school in local languages. Like in North India it will be in Hindi. If you go to Tamil Nadu, it will be in Tamil. Okay, if you go to Andhra, it will be in Telugu. So something like that. So it is nothing but the introduction of scientific research and rationalism in the traditional Indian education. Our next question, which one of the following statement is not correct? They are asking about not correct. Okay, we'll read that. Ali Madan Khan introduced the system of revenue farming in Bengal. Maharaja Ranjit Singh set up modern foundries to manufacture cannons at Lahore. Sawai Jai Singh of Amber had elucidate elements of geometry translated into Sanskrit. Sultan Tipu of Mysore gave money for the construction of idol of god Sarda in Sringeri temple. Okay, so we have to choose the correct. So it's actually see this is Raja Ranjit Singh has set up modern foundry to manufacture cannons at Lahore. This is correct. The Sawai Jai Singh of Amber, okay, the geometry, this is also correct. Tipu Sultan, yes, this is also correct. So he has actually constructed this goddess Sarda. But this one is wrong. Okay, Ali Madan Khan introduced the system of revenue farming in Bengal. This is wrong. So the answer A is correct. Okay, it is actually Murshid Quli Khan. It was not the the name given Ali M Khan. It is actually Murshid Quli Khan introduced revenue farming in Bengal. So the answer is A. Next question is which of the following provision was not made in Chartered Act of 1833? Okay, so they are asking about 1833 Chartered Act of 1833. We'll read that. The trading activity of the East India Company were to abolished. Okay, remember they are asking about not correct. Okay, the designation of supreme authority was changed to Governor General of India in Council. All lawmaking power to be conferred Governor General in Council. An Indian was appointed as a law member in the Governor General Council. Okay, so I think this question, see, this is correct, like trading activity of East India Company were abolished. This is correct. Okay, the designation of supreme authority was changed to, yes, Governor General of India in Council. Okay, so this is also correct. All lawmaking powers to be conferred to Governor General in Council. Yes, this is wrong. Okay, no person has been appointed as a law member. Even till 1833, they were actually nominated the members, but okay, but they don't have any like power kind of thing. Okay, so this is like completely. Even if you have not read Chartered Act of 1833, you can choose this option, because till that time 1833, this kind of status to Indians they have not given. Okay, so that's why the D is wrong. Next, okay, with reference to the colonial rule in India, what was the sought by the Ilbert Bill 1883? Okay, so Ilbert Bill. So we'll believe. So they're asking about sought by the Ilbert Bill. Okay, to bring Indians and European at par as far as the criminal jurisdiction of court was concerned, to impose severe restriction on freedom of native press, as it was perceived to be hostile to colonial ruler, to encourage native Indians to appear for civil service examination by conducting them in India, to allow native Indians possess arms, amending the Arms Act. Okay, see the Ilbert Bill. If you remember, if you read the history, Ilbert Bill is nothing but, with this bill, what the Britishers did, that they have actually appointed, they have actually allow the Indians in the court. Okay, the Indians lawyers can they can hear the cases of European as well. Okay, so it is something about to bring Indians and European at par as far as the criminal jurisdiction for the court was concerned. Okay, so this is the main thing of Ilbert Bill. So that's why the European was thinking like how the Indians can uh, uh, get this kind of privilege. Okay, so this was their concern actually. Okay, so the Ilbert Bill was introduced during the viceroyalty by Lord Ripon. Okay, so Lord Ripon was little bit, you can say, he was like moderate kind of. Okay, so he has done some good thing. Okay, anyway, no government has done very good things to Indians, but this guy did little bit good things. If you read about this, he has done some very important things. Okay, so he has done actually. I mean, this Ilbert Bill was passed during his viceroyship. Okay, so it is, the option is A. Next question. In India, the first bank of limited liability managed by Indians and founded in 1881. Okay, so yeah, Indians and founded in 1881. So Hindustan Commercial Bank, Awadh Commercial Bank, Punjab National Bank, Punjab and Sindh Bank. Okay, but this question, it is actually B, Awadh Commercial Bank. Okay, so the first entirely Indian joint stock bank was Awadh Commercial Bank, established in 1881 in Faizabad. It collapsed in 1950. The next was the Punjab National Bank, was established in Lahore in 1895, which was survived to present and is now one of the largest bank in India. Okay, so the first was like Awadh Commercial Bank and next was Punjab National Bank. Next question, so it is like match list, correctly match. Okay, so AD 1769, 67 to 69. Okay, anyway, we'll see the like other side. List 2, First Anglo-Maratha War, Third Mysore War, First Anglo-Burmese War, Sikh war. Okay, so two is wrong. Okay, so I will see. Okay, see, the AD 1767-69 first Anglo-Maratha war was wrong. This was actually done in 75 to 70-82. This is third Mysore war is correct, like AD 1790 to 1992, and this is first Anglo-Burmese war. This was done in okay, like this is also wrong, and this one like second Sikh war, this is correct, like AD 1845 to 46. You can match with this. Okay, please remember this is like fact-based question, so you please memorize these years. Okay, so the answer is D here, 2 and 3. Okay, you please see this accordingly. You match. I think this is like this is wrong. Like second, wrongly matched that. The second Sikh war, like this one is wrong. Okay, this is correct. 1824-26. It's like first Anglo-Burmese war. So second and third is correct. First and fourth is wrong. Next question: which one of the following pair is not correctly matched? Okay, so Pitt's India Act or Doctrine of Lapse, Vernacular Press, Ilbert Bill. Okay, so we have seen that Ilbert Bill, it was done during written. So D is not the answer. Okay, so the Pitt's India Act, it was done during like Hastings. Then Doctrine of Lapse is Dalhousie. Vernacular Press Act is wrong. Okay, it is not done by Lord Curzon. It is by during Lord Lytton. So the answer is C. And okay, so Ilbert Bill, Ripon, this is correct. Okay, so the answer is for Vernacular Press Act, it is Lord Lytton, not Curzon. Okay, so Curzon, remember during Curzon time, this Bengal partition and those these things. Okay, so you can remember like this. Okay, next, which one of the following Viceroy of India during British rule? Following Viceroy of India during British. So okay, so these are the Viceroy. So we have to arrange into chronological order. So Lord Curzon, Chelmsford, Harding, Irwin. Okay, we'll see that. See, the earliest is Lord Curzon. After that, it's Harding, and then Chelmsford and Lord Irwin. So the answer is A. Okay, so the Lord Curzon during 1899 to 1905, Lord Chelmsford from 1916 to 1921, Lord Harding between 1910 to 1916, and Lord Irwin between 1926 to 1931. Okay, see, this is like very difficult to remember. Okay, but we don't have any options, so we have to remember. Consider the following statement. Okay, so now they're asking correct. In the third battle of Panipat, Ahmad Shah Abdali defeated Ibrahim Lodi. Tipu Sultan was killed. In third Anglo-Mysore war, Mir Jafar entered in conspiracy with the English for defeat of Nawab Sirajuddaula in Battle of Plassey. Okay, so there are. So this is actually B. One second. See, this is the Mir Jafar entered the conspiracy with the English for the defeat of Sirajuddaula in Battle of Plassey. So this is actually correct. Okay, so actually this English has been approached to Mir Jafar. They said that you come in our side and help us during this Battle of Plassey. So if we will won, then we will make you Nawab of Bengal. Okay, so the Mir Jafar did the same thing. He told to Sirajuddaula, I will take care of that. You don't go for battle. You be in the mahal. I will take care of that. So when Sirajuddaula went to the his mahal, so there the people, their enemy was there, so they killed actually Suraj-e-Daula, and English won the war, Battle of Plassey. Okay, so actually say that the Battle of Plassey has never fought. Sometimes say that. Okay, so this is correct, and this the third Battle of Panipat. Ahmad Shah Abdali defeated Ibrahim Lodi. This is wrong. Tipu Sultan was killed in the third Mysore war. This is also wrong. Okay, so actually the first Battle of Panipat 1526, Ibrahim Lodi was defeated by Babur. The third Battle of Panipat 1761, Ahmad Shah Abdali defeated Marathas. Okay, it's not Ibrahim Lodi. It is defeated Marathas. Tipu Sultan was killed in the fourth Anglo-Mysore war. Understood? It is not the third, so that's why this is wrong. So the answer is. Thank you.